Hi friends, today I will show you how to create clipping mask in Photoshop CC 2019. Let's do. First, take a rectangular, draw a shape, fill the color, Ctrl D for deselect, choose any one image from your gallery, enter, press Alt, click, it has become clipping mask. See? Now I will show you another example. Delete this one. Go to your rectangular tool. Down ellipse tool. Click this one. Shift and drag. It will become perfect circle. Ctrl J for new layer. Select. Ctrl backspace for fill the color. Choose an image. Enter. Alt. Click. You can create clipping mask in any shape like this. Go to your rectangular box, rectangular tool. Go to your custom shape tool. Choose any one shape. Now shift, drag. If you press hold, it will become perfect shape of the stroke. Fill the color. Any color you want, you can fill. Right click, rasterize layer. Keep it in center. This also keep it in left. Take any one image. Enter. Alt, click. Ctrl T for transform. Shift, scale. Delete this one. Press tab, alt tab. You can press like this, alt tab. You can switch from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, from here to here. You can switch like this. Tab, select one image, open Photoshop, enter, alt, click, T for transform, scale, keep it in center. You can write any text also. Choose color for text, Ctrl T for transform, press shift and drag. Keep it in center. Keep it in center. See, like this you can do clipping mask in Photoshop. Today's class is over. In next class, I will show you how to create coloring.